Hi everyone, David Mailey here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you a slight hobby I've taken on the side where when I have extra time, I go to local liquidation places and buy things like Amazon returns, Walmart returns, Home Depot returns, and stuff like that. And I found it pretty interesting, and I know you will too. So it is not really analytics or data science, but Amazon does use both for making their sales, obviously, and they've become a huge powerhouse of sales to the point where they take anything on return and they don't refurbish them, they don't resell them. They instead sell all the returns off to resellers and liquidation houses, and then they sell it to smaller liquidation places where you can go in and dig through bins and grab stuff. So that's what I have here. If you look right here, I have a bag that I paid $40 for at a place called BinTime in Greenville, South Carolina. And I've never been to that place before. I decided to check it out. It was a long drive, about an hour and 45 minutes. So let me show you what I found here so you can see some of the cool stuff I have. And what I'm going to do with some of these things is I'm actually going to do giveaways later on with them. I also, some I'll keep for myself, and some I may donate or give away to like Goodwill or something like that. Let me show you what I've got. So for $40, right, we got Keto Bites, super fat Keto Bite cookie bites. This is worth, I don't know, $15 to $20 on Amazon. Got it for $5. That's, by the way, at the Bin Town, they have 2 $5 days, which is where they get new stuff. Then it goes to 3, 2, and 1. And they don't put new stuff out, and they just as it goes through on the following day. So today was the first of those $5 days. So it's $5 the max that you pay for anything. So this was $5. Then let's see what else I've got here. My wife likes this stuff. They had this brand new, you can see the shrink wrap on it, Obagi Nuderm Exfoderm 4 skin smoothing lotion, which goes for about $50 on Amazon. If you buy it at other retailers, it can go for upwards of $80. It was $5. New, has the shrink wrap still on it. Never been opened. What else do we have here? So let's see. I got a flashlight. This is pretty cool. It's a 1200 lumen flashlight. And the only thing is at this place, you cannot test anything out before you buy it. That's why things are a little bit cheaper. It's $5 max. So I got this for $5 today. Hopefully it works. And we're going to put some batteries in it later and test it out and try it out. But this is the LED flashlight that I got. And those go for about, I'm going to guess, $15 to $18 or so for the flashlight. I did get this. I needed some new tire caps, valve stem caps for my car. I have a Toyota Camry. These are labeled for Toyota Racing Development TRD. 4 of them. They normally go for $10. I got that for $5. Not a big difference, but I mean, they're brand new, never been used. What else do we have here? I got this for my wife later on. There's a called the Law of Attraction Planner, which is really nice. It goes for $28 on Amazon. It's a 12-month journey of or journal and planner mixed together for changing your life and so on. Looks really cool. It's nice. Again, that goes for like $28 brand new. We move some of this stuff down here so we have room here. What else? Oh, so this one, my wife really liked this. We found a Beachbody Shaun T's Rockin' Body DVD set, which goes for about $82 on Amazon right now. $5. All the DVDs, I opened it up already. All the DVDs and everything, the whole kit is in there. Pretty good deal right there for $5. What else do we have here? Let's see. We got some pretty cool stuff. We got a knife sharpener. Worth probably $15, $13, but we'll use it. It's $5. It was nothing huge, but it was something cool to have. And let's see. Also, we have this last thing I got here, which is actually pretty cool. So this is a knife. It's a little knife from Tops Knives. You can see it right there. It's never been opened. Obviously, the thing is sealed. Tops Knives certified manufacturer. If you look this up, this knife right here goes for $90 to $100. Their bigger knives obviously go for $200 plus. They make custom knives and some really high quality knives. So this has the sheath, a sharpener, and the certificate of manufacturer authenticity and everything right there. It says on the back here, if I can get it this way, it says Tops Knives, Spec Ops, Trust Tops, topsknives.com. So they make special operative spec ops type knives, military knives, hunting knives, things like that. So that's basically what I had in my bag. So if you look at that, we had a knife worth $90 for $5. We had this Beachbody thing, which is worth $82 for $5. And then various other things here, like this Omagi thing that's worth about $50 to $80 for $5. I probably got maybe, let me guess, 90, 82, 172 plus that be 200. Let's see, is there anything else big here? The rest of this stuff is smaller stuff, $20 values, things like that. This one was like $10. We probably got all together about $300 for this stuff for $40 plus tax. I think it was like $41 and I don't know, 18 cents, something, $42.18, something like that. Pretty good deal. Literally took me maybe an hour, hour and a half to go through the bins to find this stuff. I didn't go through all the bins. There were many bins to go through. I only went through one row, and that's what I found. My word of advice to anybody going to these liquidation and daily deals type places is look for the small things. Don't always look for the great big box. The big boxes can have like shelves, artwork that may or may not be complete or might have holes in it sometimes. The little things sometimes can have the most value, like this. Say it's just a little boggy thing, but if you go to a doctor's office, it's $80, maybe even $100 they'll sell it to you for. If you go to like a skincare professional doctor, plastic surgeon, something like that. And, it was a great deal. This was $82 and it was $5 I paid for it. The whole thing is in there, all the DVDs. If I open it up, I just opened up just a couple minutes ago anyway, but if I open up, it's got the whole package thing, the welcome to Beachbody, something from Shakeology on drinking their drinks, and then this thing is all sealed right here, cellophane still, of all the DVDs of Rock It Out, Hardcore Abs, Booty Time, Party Express, Sean T's Dance Party, Disco Groove, Mark Move and Groove, and all the stuff, his quick start guide and everything that comes with it. So that goes right now for, again, $82 on Amazon. So again, look for the little things, not always the big things. The big things in there are probably not the best deals. If they are, people grab them right away. I went there late. I went there about 3 hours after it opened because I had a long drive to get there. But something interesting, cool place to get stocking stuffers, presents, gizmos, gadgets, whatever, hunting and tactical knives, whatever it is you're looking for a great deal. These are returns that people didn't want. Just be careful of electronics. Some places will let you test them. Some places won't. This place did not, but they do have a, depending on what day you buy it, 24-hour to a 3-day 24-hour, 72-hour, or a 3-day return policy based on what day you buy it on and what bins you buy it from. But they're pretty good about it. They have a guy meets you at the front and tells you exactly how it works and what bins to go to and so on. Thanks again. I hope you like this video. I'm just trying to show you guys that there's more to life for data analysts and data scientists than just sitting there and doing coding. We do other things too. We have fun. We have hobbies on the side. We do interesting things. We help people. It's cool stuff. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this. If you do, maybe I'll do some more like that. This is just a hobby I do on the side, and found some really cool stuff from the various liquidation places around me. But this is from the one in Greenville, South Carolina called BinTime. Thanks again. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day.